I recently asked ChatGPT 5 to do some TikTok shop product research for me, and the results just completely blew me away. I'm going to show you the initial brainstorming process of coming up with the prompt firstly from me, and then I'm going to walk you through how I got ChatGPT to then expand that prompt into something that ChatGPT agent could interpret easily and understand. And the prompt that it came up with was crazy, and I'm going to show you the results that ChatGPT agent came up with, how long it worked for, and make sense of the results that it came with. But firstly, if you're new here, hi, my name is Victor, and no, I don't always wear this very comfortable Bluetooth headband. It's just so comfortable. For some reason, I refuse to take it off today. And no, this is not a sponsored thing. If you're new to this channel, I talk about e-commerce, AI, and social media, and how you can use all three to make your life easier if you're interested in those topics. So if that sounds good to you, consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe. My goal was to do some product research for TikTok shop. So imagine that I am a new TikTok shop store owner. So I'm just starting out. I don't know what to sell, or I'm a new TikTok shop affiliate, which is the person that creates user-generated videos in order to promote the products that the store owner is selling. The core message is I need to find winning products. I said, make life easy and find these products for me. So this is the initial prompt I came up with. I said, draft a detailed prompt to ask the ChatGPT 5 agent to do some TikTok shop product research. I need 5 proven high performance products in the UK market suitable for new TikTok shop owners and affiliates. They need to be high margin, easy to promote via UGC TikTok video ads. And the reason why I put that there is just so I don't get any complicated products that are tied up in a web of regulation that many steps in order to be approved to sell those products. I wanted the simplest, most high margin products that the agent could find. It needs to use only publicly accessible free sources. No need to log into any. The new ChatGPT here, it needs to use public sources where it doesn't need to log in. The reason I'm doing this is I'm being lazy. It'll stop if it needs your permission to log into somewhere. I don't want the agent to stop. I just want it to complete the full task and come up with a report for me without needing to be interrupted. This means you can take your child to school while it's running. You can go for a run. You can start some other jobs. You can go and make yourself a drink, or you could do your 9 to 5 and check what it came back with when you're back home. Because usually the agent is going to take some time to draft those, to do its research and draft those results for you. So once completed, the agent will need to draft a detailed report on the chosen products, rationalizing why they will work, stating evidence, how to easily acquire these products, and showcase success stories. So I want proof that these products are working. I want it to tell me how it found out that these programs are working. Big leap from the initial versions where you could ask it something and it just gives you an answer and there's barely any citations of where it got that information from. But I want that here. I want to know where and how it found out these products work. Give me proof and show me these products do work. That was my prompt. So this is now just the ChatGPT 5 model, not the agent mode. We took my prompt idea and it came up with this monster prompt here. I'm not going to read everything, but I just want to highlight the main key points before we jump into the results. We broke it down into these areas: the role, critical constraints, approved public data sources, research methods, scoring rubric, deliverables, and how it's going to frame the information. It's come up with this nice table here where it's going to rank the product. It's going to state what the product is, what category it is, how much it is, UK retail supplier, shipping cost, margin, which all of these things are absolutely key, right? If you are a new store owner, you need to understand costs to determine profit. And we've got 2 final picks, how to launch fast for both sellers. So not only do we have these products, we've got now a plan of how to launch fast for both sellers and affiliates. This is absolutely crazy. And then we've got output rules. So the information that it's now going to present to me, these are the rules of how that information is going to be presented. So this is how it goes. You can pause this video, by the way, if you want to make a note of this information here, and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make this prompt available to download. If you are enjoying this video. The YouTube algorithm doesn't know my channel exists unless people press the like button and subscribe. If you think I deserve it, we now know how I brainstormed the prompt. We now know the prompt that ChatGPT itself came up with. So in order for ChatGPT agent to understand clearly what I'm asking for, we're now going to move on to the result. I went ahead and pasted this prompt. This is now ChatGPT agent mode. For those of you who don't know, in order to activate ChatGPT agent mode, I think you may need to be on the paid version of ChatGPT. I'm not sure. I'm using ChatGPT Plus. Obviously, we all have different situations and motivations. It's up to you whether you want to use paid or not. And this is not sponsored by OpenAI in any way. So you go onto the box where it says describe a task. If you click plus, this is where you can cycle through the different modes. You've got deep research, create image, study and learn. There's more here, Canvas, coding related project, web research. But I honestly think agent mode does all of this. I could be wrong, but it just does a lot. You can add photos and files, click on the mode you want, and make sure that you've selected the right mode as well, because agent does tend to take time to complete its task. If you want quick answers, then make sure you're on the right mode to get just quick high-level answers for simple questions that you're asking. So this is what agent mode came up with. This result. It worked for 25 minutes in total. You see what I mentioned earlier about making a drink or taking your kids to school, taking your pet for a walk, or even going and completing your full workday and rechecking the prompt. And you can see now why it's important that I asked it to only use publicly available sources, so it doesn't need to log into anything. If it needed to log into anything,
to continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.